This is the amazing manufacturing plant of Volvo Car Group in Gothenburg, Sweden. The Torslanda Works, or Torslandaverken in Swedish, is one of the largest production facilities of Volvo cars. It was opened in 1964. Production begins with the pre-attached car body. Then, the wire harness process is performed on the car skeleton. Now the dashboard is installed using a lifting device. After that, the steering wheel is assembled. At this stage, various types of assembly are performed on the car body. The car front grille is now attached to the body. Now the seats are installed in the car. Then, the tire is tightened by a machine. After that, the doors are assembled using a lifting device. Now the car passes through its final inspection. Finally, the car is ready for delivery.